Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a package from Sabrina The Mismatch Crafter. This is stuff I asked for her to pick up for me. I don't know if there's anything else in it, but I have to tell you, this is my mail day today, okay? Earlier I did a video of a birthday box from Stephanie. That was delivered by one mailman. Then I got my regular mail delivered by another mailman, and Sabrina's package delivered by another mailman. I have no mailman on my route right now, so they're just picking, here, please bring this address, this road. Yeah. So, let's open it. Crazy postal system, I tell you. So I can't go by, oh yeah, it'll be here between 3 and 4 or 1 and 2, because guess what? It's after 4 o'clock here. This was supposed to be delivered at 2. And then they delayed it. And then I just heard the mail truck a little while ago. Yeah. Crazy. I don't know what happened to my mailman. I had a nice mailman. I'm like, you know what? It's just crazy. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. Asked her. Okay. She got these for Riley. Yeah, aren't they cute? I'll give them this weekend to Riley, or sometime next time she's here. They're so cute. So you have a mermaid and a fairy, and you can pop the clothes in and off. Them are cute. I actually looked at them myself the other day. I knew Sabrina grabbed them. So I asked Sabrina if she came across the pom-pom trim to grab me, and she did. And then not even a day later, I found it. But that's okay, because I don't think I think there was one color Sabrina actually got that I didn't get. Okay, I'm just pulling it out. Oh yeah, she got these in her little scavenger for like nickel a piece. So that was kind of cool. And then, oh, she sent me some of the spatulas. Some are cool. I was telling her, she showed me, I'm like, they didn't get them in mine. And I said, you know, they had them at Christmas, and I bought Sabrina a set for her own Christmas exchange. And I'm like, I should have bought myself a set for when I do paint or whatchamacallit, gesso and all that, because they're smaller than the big one I got. So thank you. Alright, what's this? Oh, okay. I'm trying to get out without ruining anything. Okay, she got Allie this, but she stuck 2 different sets in a box. I will check that in a second. Here we go. How did she get it in the box? What end did she open to do that? Or she did it in the box? Oh, it's tape. There we go. So one was the sticker collage poster. And I think the other one, but this is cute. Okay. Alright. So we'll figure this out by me taking it out. Okay. Okay. One was sticker collage poster, which is this one. Blah, blah, blah. Yep. And this. And the sticker sheet. Okay, that is one set. Yep, 3 posters and 120 reusable stickers. So this is one little set. So you got this paper, this paper, this paper, and then the stickers. And then the next one was the coloring. You got that one, and that one, and then the little paints. So that's cool. Allie will like that. Make sure I got all of them. Yep. Okay. So that was pretty cool. They didn't have these at mine either, because I thought they were cool. They did have the little baby or the doll accessories, but I didn't see these. So Allie will like that. So that back in there. Now close that up. Okay, maybe I won't close it up. Don't like me. Okay, I'll close it back up later. Alright, and then the pink pom-poms, and the blue. I think it's blue I didn't get. And the blue pom-poms. And a heart. Oh, this is for Allie. Look at this truck. I can't believe she got these for like nickels. It's crazy. I went to check out my store. They didn't have any of this stuff at General Dollar or Dollar General. One or the other. I always say it wrong. Here's a yellow one. Okay. And then whoa! Okay. Sorry. She got me some of these black bags. I'm gonna try to create something with them. We will see. I'm gonna work on that. Oh, cool. And then this was supposed to be part of my birthday. Okay. These are so cool. I thought they were cool. Everybody, they are little fairies. Are they cute? But they're Halloween. They're supposed to be mummified or whatever. But I can't tell. I think they're cute. Oh, I thought their legs moved for a second. But I think they're cute. Look at them little fairies. Hey, I can use these for tomorrow. They don't look bad. They're supposed to be zombie fairies, I guess. I'm just going to add a little pink on the wings. Maybe instead of them being gray, I'll add some little white or skin tone to them. They'll look great. Do they sit up? Oh, they don't stand up really well. That's all right. That's okay. That's okay. Look at that cute little box. I'm going to save that box. All right. Now, he is adorable, Sabrina. Sabrina made these, guys. She did such a good job. She made Grinch. And I said, I thought he looked like Oscar. And that's how it went. Okay? And cause she made Grinch. And I thought it was an Oscar. And then I'm like, oh my God, you should. You know, it was kind of out there kind of thing. Just in passing conversation. But look at guys. Ain't he adorable? I think he's adorable. He's even got his little garbage can holder. But he hangs. Oh, he may have let go a little bit, Sabrina. I'll have to reglue him. No major. Up. Just let go. No big deal. But it's Oscar the Grouch. Isn't he adorable? I thought he was awesome. She did such a good job on these. So I will reglue him, and I'm going to hang him up somewhere. I'll find a spot. But ain't he cute? I just love him. He's so adorable. Thank you so much, Sabrina. I love everything. Thank you for picking up the pom-poms for me. And all that good stuff. And the stuff for the girls. And I love the fairies. I love everything. I love everything. But I don't see where they're scary. Where do you guys think they were scary? I think they're so dang cute. But I'm going to like add maybe a little color or shimmer to their wings. Maybe make, because I guess they're gray. They're from Halloween. They were in the Michael's box, I think. Yeah, Michael's. And they said like zombie fairies or something. They don't look zombie for me. They look like they're at attention. Like, hello! But there we go. Got a lot of cute truck stuff for next year. I will make sure the girls send her a little thank you messenger. Look at that. Loads of love. Love never fails. Awesome. And I'm going to come up with an idea for these bags. I bought the brown ones, and now I have these black and white ones that I couldn't find. So thank you, Sabrina. And I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.